Hi, welcome to Parametric House. In this Grasshopper tutorial, I want to show you how you can design this parametric mesh using just a boundary and a series of curves. So as you can see here, this is the boundary of the mesh, which I'm going to explain in this tutorial. And when I update that, the final mesh is going to be updated. It's going to fall down on these curves. And then also we have a ground, so it's going to sit down on the ground when it's going to intersect. And we have a series of curves that are going to be the solids. So for example, I can rotate this in this direction, reset the simulation and get the final results. And then we can bake the mesh. This is going to be the final mesh. And we have also the solids. Which that mesh is going to sit on. So this tutorial is really useful if you want to design a parametric mesh just by defining a boundary and a series of closed curves to get the final results. Okay, let's get started from scratch and learn this step by step.